Hey baddies, I heard you wanna look like a diva, ice queen diva, or whatever moon goddess diva. You might have seen these videos. One of them is inverted, so if you want to do this makeup look and have it look like the gold and blue look, you should invert it. But this is how I did this makeup look, and yeah, have fun during this tutorial. I don't know. Hey, okay, so I'm trying something a little different. I already did my base, as maybe you can tell. I don't know. And I'm just gonna get straight into it pretty much. I will do a separate video on how I do my base, TikTok version and normal version, because I use different contour methods. So yeah. First, we're gonna get our eyeshadow. I haven't put any shimmer or anything on yet, so this is just concealer, foundation, and contour. First, my holy grail, my lovely, I will die for this palette. You don't understand. And we're gonna go in with the blue shade. So I'm gonna take like this kind of brush, any kind of brush really, and I'm gonna go in with my blue. Why is my thing all the way over here? Oh my. And you know what? I'm going ham. So for the original, I kind of like did above my eyebrow. I did like kind of like a blob shape. I'm just gonna go around my eyes this time. Do not be afraid. Be not afraid. Splatter that shit everywhere. Like, I'm not even joking you. Everywhere. For the contacts I'm wearing, I'm not going to be able to see, so I put them on afterwards. But if you're using contacts that you're able to see in, then put them on first. I'm just kind of doing like a stamping motion. I'm making sure everything is blue. I'm sorry, I forgot to put music on. I'm really bad at this. Honestly, I might go a little above my eyebrow. We're on my workout playlist right now. You know what? I'm kind of going with the superhero mask look for this one, I guess. I don't really have any direction on where I go with this. Kind of just go where I want, go wherever you want. I don't know. Once you're satisfied with the placement, I kind of did the same thing I did. I'm going to next. You can either use the same brush or a different brush. The fuck am I holding this for? Actually, I'm going to use the same brush I used the blue in because I'm already done with like the main blue. I'm going to go with this one. Yeah. I don't have a placement on where I put this, honestly. I just kind of put it anywhere, like just randomly. Okay, next I'm going to the darker blue and just kind of going to like all the shadow points that I really want, like to just be like shadow realm. I've been like rewatching Yu-Gi-Oh! If you didn't know, that was like the first anime I ever watched as a kid. Kind of just anywhere my heart is happy, where I'm just really liking where shadow placement is. I'm just, yeah, I don't have a direction. I'm so sorry. I really don't know what I do. It just turned out good and I did it. What? Hello. The Lush. Hello. Get out here. So next I'm going to take a different brush and I'm going in with the white. And I'm just going to place that anywhere there's highlights. I'm just patting it on for now and I'll blend it all out when I get there. I'm going to take more of my white and I'm just going to like blend it into it. I don't know why I said that like it's a question. I'm the one doing the makeup tutorial. I don't even know what I'm doing half of the time. And I'm pretty comfortable with that. Sorry, it's really far away from me, so I gotta... Yeah, I'm happy with that. Yippee! You're done with the blue. I don't know. So I'm gonna get my little Jumbo NYX white liner. I don't know why my brain buffered. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna peel this shit back and then put white under my eyes. Okay. Wow. Oh wait, I forgot my inner corner. Oh, I hate putting white in here. Oh, it's just really uncomfortable feeling for me. Now that my heart is so content with that, I'm gonna go back in with our little palette guy. I'm so excited for this part. We're going in with our glitter. So if you don't like glitter, don't do this. I never used to not like glitter. I already said this before, actually. You already know the story. If you don't, I'm sorry. I'm trying not to repeat myself. Just splat that shit everywhere. Do not be afraid. Go ham. You see how shiny it is already? I don't know if you can tell that on camera. Can you tell that on camera? I don't know. I can't see. You know, just splatting that everywhere as you do. You know what the best part is? We're doing it everywhere on our face. Everywhere. Do not be afraid of the glitter. I wasn't. Look how I turned out. Someone asked on a comment, I can't remember which platform it was, but someone asked if I ever have gotten glitter in my eye. No, actually, I've never gotten glitter in my eye. How? I don't know. I generally have no idea. Will I ever? Maybe. Ask me in like a year. Maybe I'll get it in my eye this video. I was gonna say episode. Speaking of episode, you guys should go check out my horror series. It's like an ARG. We got like really cool shit coming up, but much appreciate. Yeah. You think I'm done with the glitter? No, this is only one part of it. Next, I'm going in with the D&T glitter, and I'm mainly just going in on that with the blue. That's on my face. Yeah, look at that. So fun. It looks like a mess. I got a little blue on my nose, but I don't care. Oh my god, so third party glitter. There's more glitter. I'm not obsessed. I am obsessed. Who am I not to be obsessed? With glitter. So this is the glitter I use. Wow, thank you. As you can see, I love her. I gotta use the other colors. I will. So I'm gonna use like a little a little brush that looks like this, you know? And I'm going in with, what do I do? Oh yeah, I'm gonna go in with this little blue shade right here. And I'm just, anywhere I kind of want like a greenish pop, because this is like a greenish bluish. So I'm just gonna kind of blat that anywhere my little heart desires. Some people ask, how do I come up with these things? I don't know. I kind of just listen to music and I just kind of like get in the zone. And then if it turns out great, it turns out great. I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't a fan of this look when I like first did it, because I was doing it for like a collab, because I had a look before and then I didn't like how it turned out. So I just added a bunch of blue to my face because I was like, I don't like how this turns out. Let me see if I can fix it. And so I did this, and I wasn't still a big fan of it, but it was better than what it was. If I show a picture, I will. And then I posted it, and then so many people loved it. I was just like, oh, okay, shit, cool. Which, don't get me wrong, I like cosplaying, but I really love just doing my own little thing, you know? I'm like an artist, but I can't draw for the life of me. It's the same thing with like my designs. I cannot draw for the life of me. But if I have a will in a way, I will achieve that somehow. Okay, now that I'm happy with, there's like a little spot because I kind of dragged it, but it's going to be a little patchy, but I'll fix it. I'll fix it up. So next I'm going to go in with this. It's kind of like a translucent. I don't know if it's like a UV like glitter. Oh no, you see what I mean? Like, I don't know if you can see that. Oh god, I don't know if you can see anything. But I'm just kind of going like around my eyes mainly. I'm just kind of going at all angles. I'm kind of doing it where I put that second dark blue. No, third. Just so it has like a really nice reflect. I like that. We don't talk about my gym playlist. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with this guy, and I'm just gonna go all the places I put highlight. I'm gonna put it under my eyebrow too, because I like a little extra shimmer under my eyebrow. And then once I'm satisfied with like how it kind of turned out, I start on the lashes. Yeah. So for the lashes, you're gonna want to curl them, right? As one normally does. Oh whoa, I forgot my nose. I'm done curling my. Let me do my nose really quick, otherwise I'm going to forget. I'm going back in with this palette. I totally forgot about this. Oh, wow. I'm using the same glitter that I did already for, like, patting my face. And then for my nose, I just, like, highlight the tips, for sure. I also do a little on the lip, like that. A little on the bottom of my chin. So after I'm done curling my lashes, I get this. And then I also get, like, these little applicators. They're, like, $3. And I'm just kind of like putting that on my eye. I'm kind of doing it fast because I don't want it to dry too fast. And then I take the applicator, and that helps like get it all of them white, especially like closer to like the bottom, like the closer to my lash line, you know. And then there's one lash, and then for the bottom, same thing. I just be really careful I don't go overboard and accidentally paint myself. And then same thing. Same on the other side. Okay, cool. So now that I got that done, so what I do is I'm going to go to the corner of my eye. Just kind of how I do a normal wing usually. Honestly, I do it a little weird. I don't like actually match it with the top. Because usually I match it with like the top of my lid. But I'm not going to. I also had to do like 2 or 3 layers of this. Then there's one liner, and I'm gonna hope the others are twins. If they're not twins, that's gonna suck. I wear a wig, so you can't really tell if they're twinning or not. So yeah, are they twinning? Are they twinning? They kind of look like they're twins. I might be delusional though. And then I'm gonna like kind of match it to the bottom, and now they're connected. And now that they're kind of dry, I just kind of fill it in again. And then how I did the, I don't know if I want to do it again, but I'll do it. So for like the lightning bolts, I kind of just use the same method, but I add a little more detail to it. So for example, I'm just going to add 1 scar. No, I'm not going to do that to you guys. I'll do like 1 lightning bolt. I wasn't a fan of lightning bolts. I think it just, I don't know. I wasn't like a fan of it. I don't even know what the fuck that is. What the fuck did I do? Oh well. I guess. So while that's gonna dry for a bit, I'm gonna start on my lips. LA Colors in, I don't know what colors. Can you focus? My camera hates me. It's like a gel eyeliner. Please. It's too shiny for this world. I'm sorry, guys. I'll take a picture of it. I know it says eyeliner, but do I listen? No. So I just do it as like lip liner. So just lining my lips as I do so. Okay. Now that my lips are lined. So I use like a flat brush like this. And I go back in with my eyeshadow palette, right? And I go back to that blue shade. I just pack it on there. I usually do like 2 coats, maybe 3. I don't remember. Now, I can't remember for the life of me if I did a gold. I feel like a gold kind of like cancels it out. What did I do? I'll do like, I'm not liking a gold, but I am going to use this. It's from Girls Cult. I'm just going to add a little on there. Now, for some reason, I forgot to chap my lips, so the pigment didn't really stick onto my lips. So I apologize, but if you use chapstick, it should, like before your makeup, like skincare, pretty much, it should stay. I just forgot to. I'm sorry. Now we're pretty sure this is dry. Yeah, that is dry. Okay. I'm going to grab my little brush guy, and I'm going in with the glitter, the Glimmer Shimmer, and I'm just packing that on. I can't tell if we're still on my playlist or not, but I'm kind of just rolling with it. I'm going to be honest. Kind of do like a little shimmer like that. I try to hide it with like eyeshadow, so I kind of just did this on top of it. This was back with the same light blue we used. And then I take my glitter brush, go back in with the glitter, and yeah. Next is eyelashes. So I'm kind of just dabbing that around. So I'm gonna hope for the best here. And then gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now that I'm pretty satisfied with how this has turned out. I wasn't like satisfied with how the lip turned out because like I forgot to put chapstick on and I just kind of winged it. But it's kind of getting that frosted, icy touch, you know. I'm using this as the setting spray. I finally got a setting spray, guys. High key love this shit. So I'm just gonna set my face. I'm gonna set my face. Can't talk. I got my fan, so I'm gonna spray this and fan myself off. So now that that's done, I'm gonna go put my final touches on, which is my contacts, wig, earrings, yada yada. And I'll be right back. And boom! This is the final touch. I don't know if like it kind of got messed up around here because when I put the contacts in, this one was fighting me. So yeah, that's the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't have any of my like decorations on because I'm going to take this off soon after because I got a busy day today. But yeah, um, contacts are from Moco Queen. I hope I pronounced that right. Use code SCENE for 10% off your next purchase. And yeah, make sure you check out my analog horror series if you are interested in that kind of thing. Got really cool, exciting things coming, like I said before, and I am so excited to share it with you all. Thank you for joining me on another makeup tutorial. Okay, let me know if you guys like me putting like just getting right into the thing, or if you guys want me to do like foundation, concealer. I'm getting blinded by something. Um, foundation, concealer, all that stuff first, or just like kind of skip it and just move on to the basics. But yeah, awesome. All right, I'm gonna get going. Have a good day. Love you all, and yeah, see you all in the next video. Bye.